Hey folks, how's it going? So, for today, what will it be? Well, I was out for a walk yesterday, and as I was out walking, I sat down and I was kind of looking at the grass, and I was just noticing all the little things happening, and definitely with the weather changing, everything was just kind of coming to life, you know? So, little bugs and stuff like that, and I've always liked that, and I've always found it interesting is that when you try to reproduce art in the sense of nature, it's one of the hardest things because, like a little blade of grass is going that way and a little blade of grass going that way, and it has this entanglement, right? And I love that entanglement. And so I decided, well, I'm going to do some grass and then I'll see where it goes from there. And it developed into a painting. But at first, I was just kind of gonna see what happens, like just doing that entanglement, like you look down at something, just a little section, and there's so much going on in just that little section. And normally, people paint trees and all that kind of stuff, but I like that idea of coming right up close and just looking at the grass. And so that's what I did. And then I added a little fella into it that was there, and I thought to myself, well, this works. I really like it. So sit back, watch it. Thumbs up if you don't mind. Bell for notification, and also subscribe, and subscribe again, and also share with a friend. Okay, make sure you do that. All right, and thanks for watching, guys. So sit back and enjoy it, and I will talk to you at the end of the video. Okay. Well, folks, there you are. Grass, a little bit of flowers, and a snail right in the middle, right? Just kind of moseying along, right? And I love the beauty of the snail itself, right? Even that the look, right? Just such a cool little creature. And then the grass, like I said, you know, an entanglement. I don't think I even got close to what I really want. So I think I'm going to work on this kind of an idea. I really do like that kind of stuff. You know, like you look down at some trees or branches, and it's just that entanglement, and yet it all comes together and makes sense, you know? So there you are. I hope you enjoyed it. I have nothing else to say. It's just one of those days. You know, like sometimes you've got lots of interesting, fun things to say, but some days it's just, this is it. Right? So that's where I'm at today. Just kind of a normal, kind of a nothing special day. So why don't you have a normal, special, kind of nothing day? They're the best. And by the way, remember, be cool like a big bull moose. And remember to wear your pants. Sorry, I was going to show you, you know, at the end, just my my little conglomeration of grass and snails and flowers, and I forgot to do that. So I apologize. There you are. And again, have a normal